Setting up a Robinhood account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, go to the Robinhood website or download the Robinhood mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have accessed the platform, click on the Sign Up button to initiate the account creation process. First, you will be prompted to provide some basic personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. This information is used to verify your identity and ensure the security of your account. Next, you will need to provide your Social Security number or individual taxpayer identification number, as this is required by the U.S. government for tax reporting purposes. After providing your personal information, you will be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a strong and unique password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. You will also be required to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to verify your email address and phone number. This is done by clicking on a verification link sent to your email address and entering a verification code sent to your phone. Verifying your email address and phone number helps to prevent unauthorized access to your account and ensures that you receive important notifications and updates. After verifying your email address and phone number, you will be prompted to provide additional information, including your employment status, income level, and investment experience. This information is used to help Robinhood determine your investment eligibility and provide you with personalized investment recommendations. Finally, you will need to fund your account by linking a bank account or transferring funds from an existing brokerage account. You can do this by clicking on the Transfer Money button and following the prompts to link your bank account or transfer funds from another account. Throughout the account setup process, it is essential to carefully review and agree to the terms and conditions of the Robinhood platform. This includes understanding the fees associated with buying and selling securities, as well as the risks and rewards of investing in the stock market. By following these steps and taking the time to understand the Robinhood platform, you can set up a secure and functional account and start investing in the stock market with confidence.